Alright, so real quick, if y'all don't know what a funded is, you pay a certain amount of money to a company. The company I'm using right now is Funda Pro, and the more capital you want, the more you pay. This account that I have right now is a $10,000 account, and I only have to pay like $125, right? So what you gotta do is you gotta meet the requirement for this company. You gotta make 10%, and then after that, 8%, right? Bro, the market has been so weird lately, like for my trading, but I'll show y'all exactly where I'm at. Boom. We are down $7. You see, we're down $7. But bro, I've been getting good trades and I've been calling them out. But certain times when you put your trade in, if you're like one pit below, they don't let you in. Or sometimes it'll come down to where it says you're supposed to be in. Like if you zoom in, you see you're supposed to be in, but it just doesn't book your price rate, which is cool. I'm not tripping. We only down seven. We only down $7, and we gonna lock in, bro. We gonna get that back next week. Next week I'm gonna see what's up. This is NFP week. If everybody knows that, you cannot rush it. You cannot rush it, and you sit there. You try to just trade back to back when you don't know what's going on. This NFP week for that Thursday and Friday, I don't trade. I didn't even take a trade all this week just because I didn't really see anything, and the market has been so back and forth with GU. Like GU has been so back and forth that I wasn't really able to get like a big picture of what GU was doing. But yeah, we took a couple L's. Like, I could show y'all where we at with it too, like what's been going on in the account. Like we took a couple L's. See, we took 3 L's in a row. This one right here, I just ended up closing quick, but I'm pretty sure that ended up going to take profit. For me, I'm not tripping about it though, cause the fact that we only down $7, like that's nothing. I could make so much more than that off one trade. Basically, that's break even. But I want to wait to get like a clear picture of what GU wants to do before I even try to take a trade. And every trade that I have, I send it out in the Discord. This is the Discord right here for me. This is the Discord right here for me. All the signals, all the trades that I'm about to take, I throw them right in there. It's free. You don't gotta pay anything for it. You know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna take a look at GU, bro. GU has been all over the place, right? This is how I mark it up. This is how I mark up GU. I look for a recent high that was grabbed, and then when after it grabs a low, which is that low, you can see that we mark that up, and that's like why is my brain going blank right now? Wow, my fault. That's a dealing range. I don't know why my brain just went blank. That's a dealing range, and in the middle we call it equilibrium, right? Price had went up, right? Price had went up, boom, boom, boom. We see price going up, and then price decides to fall down, and then when it falls down, right, it goes right to here, right to this order block right here, and then it continues to go up, which just caught me so off guard because it's like I'm thinking price is gonna trend. Like I'm thinking price really wants to trend in one direction, but Donald Trump had went into office, then the market has started to go up. Um, I don't know, bro. Everything has just been so back and forth. Even my friend is calling me on the phone saying, "Yo, can you like help me like get a good picture of what's going on? Cause I can't seem to understand it." But either way, you gotta understand that you can read the market, but if your psychology isn't right, then that doesn't matter. And that's cool. My psychology is valid. Like I'm good. Like one trade, if I take one trade and I lose it, I'm done for the day. I'm not tripping about any of that. Like once I lose, I'm out, and I always go for one or twos. So in the end, like bro, I'm confident that we got this. And plus, bro, I put my trust in Jesus. I'm not really too tripping about no L's for me, no W's. I'm gonna try to clear all these accounts, and I got other accounts too that I could make videos about, but I want to make a video about me passing them for me, cause like I never passed it a funnel before, so I want to lock into that, try to get a funnel pass it passed, and I will show y'all like all the trades that I took to pass it, or maybe after I get the account in the green, then for me we'll do the trades from then. But bro, the strategy that I use is proven for me. I've taken losses before. I went on winning streaks. I've been on like eight. I've won like 8 trades in a row of using the same strategy, so I'm not tripping. You know what I'm saying? Like it's gonna happen sometimes when you lose back to back, and you gotta understand one thing about the market, bro. Dog, you can predict exactly where the market is gonna go. You set up your buy limit for me. Predict that the market is gonna go up. You set up your buy limit, and you waiting for price to come down, but it just don't wick you in. Hold on, can't focus up. You waiting for price to come down, but it doesn't wick you in for me. So you get it right, but you don't get let into the trade. But when you're wrong, like let's say the market is going down and you predict that it's going up, yo gang, if you set that buy limit, you're gonna get wicked in and you're gonna lose. So it's like you can be right and not get let into the trade, which is bad in itself. And you can be wrong, but like every single time you're wrong, you're going to get let into the trade. Because if you set up a buy limit, they're gonna let you in. Because it's going down. So when it's going down, it's gonna hit your buy limit. Because your buy limit is gonna be below where price is right now. So that's like a double. Like for me, that's like a double headshot. Like for me, you can be right. Like on the days when you're right. Let's say you're right 3 days, but you don't get let into the trade. The 2 days you're wrong and you don't get let into the trade, you lose. So it doesn't matter that you was right 3 times. Like that's not gonna reflect in your price and the amount of money you make. Only thing you're gonna see is the L's you take. So it doesn't even like so the market don't even care that you was right. Cause you not let in. So you not even in the trade. You know what I'm saying? So that's something that's difficult, but I'm not tripping. For me, we here. I'm gonna be waiting to see if I can get another trade. Next week. Next week I'm up and I'm at it, gangster. I'm gonna be up. I'm gonna be looking for trades. I'm gonna really sit down this weekend, analyze the market, see what's been going on with GU, make my predictions, and we gonna get right next week. And wins or losses, I'll bring y'all another update on it. Right now, it's not really much. You can see that we down a little bit. This is just the update on where we at with the 10K. We're trying to get 10K from the 125. This is just where we at right now. It's not nothing crazy. We still working. We still trying to get there, but it's just gonna take time for me. And I said it before, but I definitely do have other accounts that I'm going to hammer. Like with these accounts, I only risk 1% until we get down to 5%. Then I'll do 0.5. But I got this one 5K account that I'm just risking 2% on, just to see if I can clear it. If what I'm saying, that account I'll show y'all is down like 4%, which we can make back of one trade for real, for real. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's this one. I think it's this one right here. 4%. We can make that back of one trade. Like one trade, we can get all that back. So I'm not tripping about that either. You gotta think if we win every day next week, bro, like that that right there could probably let me see. If we win, we'll be in the if we win Monday, then we'll be in clear. So our account would be at break even, probably down like 0.5. And then Tuesday we could be up 4%. The next day, April, yeah, like we could clear stage one. We could no matter of fact, we could clear stage one and stage two if we win every single day this week. So you gotta think about it like that, bro. And the times where you, for me, where you down and you like, yo, I'm taking like at the start of the week when you take a L like twice. Let's say you take a L back to back, or it's just once. You gotta think about the rest of the week. Like, yo, I could still, for me, make this week a good week because, yo, when you lose at the start of the week or when you take a loss, period, bro, it just fries your mental. And like, bro, regardless of how long you've been in it, nobody likes to take a loss. Nobody likes to take a loss. So it's just psychology at the end of the day. I appreciate everybody for tapping into the vid. For me, anybody that watched to the end, or you just, you mean, I'm locked though, gangster. I'm locked. This weekend, I'm gonna review it. I haven't really been posting on this channel too much because I haven't, bro. Like the trades has been, you mean, the views has, you mean, but we locked in. We locked in, gangster. I believe this is something that God want me to do. So we here, and I'm gonna let y'all know if I win or lose the next trade. Then I'll do another update on me using the 125 to get 10K. All right, I'm gonna see y'all niggas, bro. Be safe.